Alright, this is my Pelican Catch 100. I've had it for about 3 months now. It's a little dirty because I had it out yesterday. It's got 4 fishing rod mounts or holders, foot pegs, storage. It's got a 350 pound weight capacity, standing platform. Nice big storage in the back, crates or coolers. One of the foot pegs is broken. I bought it like that. I actually got it for about $600 because the foot peg was broken. This is the stand-up assist strap. Scotty rails for mounts. Haven't bought any accessories for it yet. This is the seat it comes with. You mount it in high or low. It's low position, high position. And this strap goes underneath to this buckle to help hold the seat down. Got storage in the back of the seat. Adjustment straps. This is your paddle holder.